So I actually have a tan one of this. It sings "Hey Baby." Yeah, I remember making a video on my other animatronic channel, but yeah, it is a tan one. And I think I saw another one, but the heart said "Treasure," and it actually sings this actual song "Treasure." So yeah, pretty sure it was black or something. I think so. I think it was black. I believe it's black though. But yeah, when I first got it out, the ears and the head wasn't moving. So all I did is just move this, and then the ears started flapping, and then the head didn't move though. And then just now, I just like moved this head down, then it just started moving, which is kind of weird. But yeah, maybe if I can find the tan one, I can show you that too. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.